Hello students, welcome back to our channel Abhyas IIT Prep. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 28th Jan evening shift paper. Let's get into the video. 26 question number. A nucleus has a mass number alpha and r alpha of radius. Another nucleus has the mass number beta and radius r beta. Then the ratio of the r alpha by r beta. We know that one. Radius can be written as r naught a to the power 1 by 3. So if you want to find r alpha by r beta, you can write r alpha by r beta can be written as by r naught gets cancelled, and a alpha a beta whole to the power 1 by 3. Okay, see here, what is the condition here? Alpha by beta, what is beta? 8 alpha. If you cancel alpha, you are remaining with 1 by 8, that is nothing but 1 by 2. You can say this one 0.5 is your answer. Next question, question number 27. A plane electromagnetic wave is moving in a free space with velocity and electric field. They have given electric field where J is the unit vector along the y-axis. So the magnetic field vector B of, just you have to find the amplitude of the vector. You have to find amplitude of the vector. Then you can simply mark the answer. And the direction also very important. How to find the direction? You see here, B cap equal to C cap cross K cap. What is C cap? C cap is along with K. So that is K cap cross, what is the, this is E cap. E cap is nothing but a J cap. So you will get a minus I cap. So this is nothing but a magnetic wave is traveling in negative x direction. So if you want to find amplitude of a magnetic field, you can simply write E naught by C. E naught by C. What is E naught? 54 by C. That is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power 8. 3 into 10 to the power 8. So this is 18 times. So from this one, you can simply write 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 7. So in a negative I cap direction. This is your B naught. So what is the answer here? Option 1 is your answer. Next question, 28th question. What they have given, biconvex lens is formed by using two thin planar convex lens. We know that one, planar convex lens. Planar convex lens. They combine together this planar convex lens. They form one. So concave lens. The refractive index and the radius of a curvature are also mentioned in the figure. When the object is placed on the left side of the lens, at u equal to 30 centimeters, from the biconvex lens, the magnification of the image will be, magnification we know this one, minus v by u. Okay, v by u, just v by u. What do you have to find? You have to find v. Okay, take this 15 centimeters. This is your r1, and one more is there. Take this as r1. One more r is there. R2 here is infinity. R2 is here infinity. Okay. Let's start. We have to find magnification. See here, 1 by f net can be written as 1 by f1 plus 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. How to find f1 plus f2? I am writing here. Mu minus 1, that is nothing but 0.5. I am writing for this length. 1 by 1 by R1, that is nothing but 15 centimeters. 1 by R1, I am writing directly, I am writing 15 centimeters minus 1 by infinity, this is 0, plus one more is there, 0 point plus I am writing here 0.2, 1 by infinity minus 1 by 12, 1 by infinity minus 1 by 12. So if you find this 1 by f value, so 1 by f can be written as 1 by u plus 1 by v. 1 by u is nothing but they have given already 30 plus 1 by v. This is your 1 by v. So from this one you can simplify and v can be written as 60. V can be written as your 60. V is 60. So what is v? That is 60. What is u? That is minus 30. You can write 2 is your answer. Option 1 is your answer. Next question. So see here, question number 29. The main free path of molecule of diameter 5, they have given diameter. This is d. What is this one? This is d. This is temperature. You have to convert the temperature into Kelvin. This is our pressure. So what you have to find? You have to find mean free path can be written as kBT by and root 2 pi d square into pressure. So k already they have given. What is that one? K already given 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23 into temperature is nothing but 41 plus 273. You have to convert that into kelvins by root 2 into pi 3.14 into d square. Diameter they have given 5 into 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 10 whole square into pressure. So 1.38 into 10 to the power 5. If you solve this one, you will get the answer as 2 root 2 into 10 to the power 8 minus 8. This is your mean free path value. So next question, see here. Two PN junction diodes D1, D2 are connected as shown in figure. A, B are input signals. These two are inputs. And C is output. The given circuit will be function as if any output of A or B, if A or B is 0, then you will get C equal to 0. Any one A or B is 0, you will get I am writing here A, B, C 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. If any one of A is 0, you will get 0 output here. If two are high potential, you will get 1. So this is the truth table for AND gate. Next question number 31. A Wheatstone bridge is initially at a room temperature and all arms of a bridge have same value of resistance R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to R4. When R3 resistance is heated to some temperature, its resistance value gone up by 10%. Gone up by 10%. So then the potential difference across VA and VB. So this is our R3. So 40 volts is there. So see here, if you redraw this diagram, it is goes up by 10%, 1.1 R. These two remaining resistors are same. So see here, the potential is 40 here, take 0 here. High potential and low potential. What will happen? See here. So these two are, we are having these two are at VA, at position VA, potential is dividing into two arms. This one is V by 2 and this one is also V by 2. That is nothing but 20. That is nothing but 20. At VB, potential at V can be written as V by 2.1 times of R into R. So V by 2.1. V by 2.1. VB. So you have to find a potential difference. So VA minus VB can be written as 0.95. What is that one? 0.95. What is the potential difference? 0.95. Next question, question number 32. In an experiment, set of readings are obtained 1.24 millimeters, 1.25 millimeters, and they have given in millimeters. Point tarvat. So after point, you are having 2 digits. After point, you are having 2 digits. So the expected least count of the instrument is used in these readings. After point, you are having 2 digits. This is your least count. This is not. Option 1 is your least count. Question number 33. See here. A particle start moving from at a time t and its coordinate is given as x of t equal to 4t cube minus 3t. You have to find the correct answer. The particle returned to its original position the units later, 0.86 units later. And one more is there, particle is 1 unit away from the origin. 1 unit away from the origin. So B and D are combined. The particle is 1 units away from the origin at its turning point. What is the meaning of turning point? Velocity at a turning point is 0. That is the condition. Next one, acceleration of a particle is non-negative and acceleration of never turns back as an acceleration is non-negative. You have to find these two. These two are combination and you have to find the option A. So what is option A? Particle returns to its original position. Assume at origin x equal to 0, at origin x equal to 0, then t is also 0. T is also 0. When it is returning, so x of t equal to, see here, 0. So 4t cube minus 3t. 4t cube minus 3t. So this value, if you see here, so t equal to 0, so t can be written as root 3 by 2. So this is nearly equal to 0.866 units. Option 1 is your right answer. B. So V can be written as, what is V? 12t square minus 3. Option B and D. Solution for option B and D. We have to find what is the distance. From this one, t can be written as 1 by 2. T can be written as 1 by 2. If you find x, put this t equal to 1 by 2 in equation x here. So you will get the x as minus 1, that equal to unit. Option B is your right answer. Next question, what is this one? Option E. Particle never comes back, acceleration is non-negative. So at the rate of, so in case of acceleration can be written as dv by dt. What is that? dv by dt. What is v here? So that is a 24t. So this is a positive. This is always positive. So option A, B and A, B and C. A, B and C are true. So next one, question number 34. Question number 34. The speed of longitudinal wave in a metallic bar is a longitudinal wave 400 meter per second. If the density and Young's modulus of bar materials are increased by 0.5% and 1% respectively, then the speed of the wave is changed approximately. So we know that one. What is that one? Young's modulus can be written as so I am writing velocity formula. So velocity can be written as under root y by rho. So delta v by v equal to 1 by 2 delta y by y minus 1 by 2 delta rho by rho. Okay, this is 1 by 2. Young's modulus is increased by 1% minus rho is increased by 1%, that is 1 by 4. You will get 1 by 4. So next one, see here, delta v percentage you have to multiply with 100. So this is your percentage. I am writing here. You have to multiply with 100 here. At this point also you have to multiply with 100. Okay, I am sending 100 downward and v is there. I have to send upside. So what is v? We already given 400. If we cancel out, delta v can be written as 1 meter per second. What is the distance? Total velocity. What is the total velocity? So total velocity is nothing but 400 plus. What is total velocity? 400 plus 1. That is nothing but 401. So next one, see here, identify the correct statement. Effective capacitance in series combination of a capacitors is always smaller than the smallest capacitance of the capacitors in combination. This is true. 1. Capacitance effective is always less than the individual capacitance of the combination. That is true. When a dielectric medium is placed between the charged plates of the capacitor, take this dielectric medium of constant K, placed between the capacitor, the displacement of charges cannot occur due to the insulation property of a dielectric medium. This is wrong because the charges are going by the application of polarization. This is wrong. Third question. Increasing of area of capacitor or decreasing of thickness of the capacitor. So an alternate method to increase the capacitance. What is the capacitance formula? Capacitance is directly proportional to A by D. Option C is also true. Next, option D. For a point charge, concentric sphere shells centered at a location of the charge are equipotential charges. So assume this is our point charge Q. If you are having concentric circles, take this distance R1, R2 and R3. So potentials, these things R1, R2, R3 are the equipotentials. Is that true or not? So V can be written as KQ by R. Returns KQ by R. So those are the equipotential surfaces. A, C, D are true. A, C, D are true in this case. Next question, question number 36. The number of photons of equal energy emitted per second by 6 microwatt laser source operating at 663 nanometers. So number of photons. So number of photons can be written as, we know that one, power can be written as n times of energy. N times of energy. So n can be written as power by energy. Energy is nothing but hc by lambda. So p lambda by hc. What is power? They have given power. So 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 into lambda. Lambda they have given 663 nanometers. 663 into 10 to the power minus 9 nanometers by hc. 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 into c. C is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power 8. This is your calculation. If you find the entire thing, you will get 2 into 10 to the power 16. That is your option 4. Next question, question number 37. When position vector, they have given a position vector changes as a negative. Position vector is changed to negative. Which of the following vector will not flip? What is the meaning of not flip? They won't change to negative. So take this first. Velocity. Velocity can be written as a rate of change of position. So d minus r bar by dt can be written as minus dr by dt. This is changed. So this is not our answer. Next, acceleration. Acceleration can be written as dv by dt, that is minus v. We have already taken. So minus dv by dt. This is also not our answer. What about linear momentum? Linear momentum can be written as a mass into velocity. That is negative m. You will get a minus mv. This is also not possible. What about angular momentum? Angular momentum L can be written as r bar cross p bar. What is r bar? Negative. What is p bar? Negative. You will get the angular momentum is not flip. It will not flip. Next question. Question number 38. Which of the following quantity is not measurable? So resistance is measurable. Displacement current is measurable. And voltage difference between 2 points is also measurable. So what is this one? Voltage. Voltage is nothing but potential. Voltage is nothing but potential. We can't measure by taking any reference. If you know the reference point, you can measure the potential. Without knowing a reference point, we can't measure the potential. So option C is your answer. So question number 39. A long cylindrical conductor with a large cross-sectional carries an electric current distributed uniformly over the cross-section. So we are having a long cylindrical conductor which is having large cross-sectional area A. Magnetic field due to this current, maximum at either sides of the conductor and a minimum at midpoint. Either sides are having maximum, and at midpoint we are having less magnetic field. What is the B? Maximum at axis of the conductor. Maximum at axis of the conductor. Okay, next one, D, minimum at the axis of the conductor, and C, minimum at the surface of the conductor. So for same all points on the cross section. This is wrong. If any option is with, so we know that one. This is our magnetic field. This is our R radius. At a point R equal to R naught, this is our maximum condition. Okay, the minimum at axis of the conductor, minimum at the axis of the conductor, and the maximum at the surface of the conductor. So option D is your answer. Next, see here, this is time taking. So a small block of mass m sliding down from the top of a frictionless inclined surface while the inclined plane is moving towards left with an acceleration a naught. The angle between the inclined plane and the ground is theta. Its base length is L. Assume that initially the small block is at the top of the inclined plane. The time taken to reach the at lowest point. Time taken to reach the lowest point. What is the distance? Total distance. What is the distance here? Take cos theta. Let it be S. This will be S. Total length will be S. Take this length S, and this is L. What is the cos theta? Cos theta can be written as L by S. From S can be written as L by cos theta. What do you have to find? We know that formula, S equal to ut plus a half at square. So u is 0, half a t square. You have to find the acceleration. After that, you have to equate these two equations. Let 1 and 2. So I am drawing here. This is our block at top. Assume it is at top. Downward, we are getting mg sin theta. Mg sin theta. But the block is moving left side. So at this position, you are having mg. This is theta. At this position, you are having mg cos theta. Block is moving acceleration, then acceleration acting left side. So you will get the ma naught. This is this is cos theta, and downward you will get ma naught sin theta. I hope you are understanding. So I will write here, no need to worry. Block is sliding downward. Block is sliding downward. That is your acceleration. So see here, writing here, mg sin theta minus ma naught cos theta equal to ma. Cancel out a. This is your acceleration. So substitute in this equation acceleration. You have to find a t. You have to find t. See here. Equate these two earlier first. So t square can be written as 2L by acceleration. 2L by acceleration from this one into cos theta. 2L by what is acceleration? I am writing cos theta g sin theta minus a naught cos theta into this is your acceleration. So but we are not having any thetas. Cos square, you will get cos square theta, but not g. Convert this one. I am writing here cos theta sin theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. You can write it as this can be 2 cos theta sin theta can be written as sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. So from this one I am writing, see here, 2L g by 2 sin 2 theta. Cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, minus 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 into a naught. take this one upside. This is 4L by G sine 2 theta minus A naught 1 plus cos 2 theta under root. This is your T. This is your T. So what is the answer? Option 2 is your answer. So next question, see here, 41. This is also based on the theory. Identify the correct statement. The electrostatic field lines from closed loops. We are not getting any closed loop field lines from electric fields. If you are having any charge, a positive charge is there, it is going outside. Charges are going, field lines are going outward. In negative charge, field lines are going inward. We are not having electrostatic field lines, not closed loops. Next question. The electric field lines point radially outward when the charge is greater than 0. So if you are having charge Q, the field lines are radially outward. That is true. Option B is true. The Gauss law is valid only for inverse square force law. So F is inversely proportional to R square. You can say this one. Answer is right. Option D. The work done in moving charged particle in a static electric field around a closed path is 0. So see here, integral E bar dot dl bar equal to 0. This is also correct. Next, the motion of particle under Coulomb force must take place in a plane. So because Coulomb force is always acting along the direction of the line joining. This is also right. So B, C, D, E is correct answers. B, C, D, E is correct answers. Next question. 42. As shown in figure, a spring is kept in a stretched position with some extension by holding masses 1 kg, 0.2 kg with a separation more than spring natural length are released. Assume the horizontal surface to be frictionless. Angular frequency of the system. What do you have to find? You have to find the angular frequency of the system. So see here, angular frequency can be written as under root k by mu. What is mu? Mu is nothing but reduced mass. So m1 m2 by m1 plus m2, 1 into 0.2 by 1.2. So you will get 0.2 by 1.2. From this one, you will get 1 by 6. 1 by 6. 1 by 6. What is k? K they have given already. K they have given already 150 by 1 by 6. So you will get the answer as 300. What is the answer? Omega equal to root 900. You will get 30. Next question. Question number 43. For a transparent prism, if angle of minimum deviation is equal to its refracting angle, the refractive index of n of the prism satisfies. We know that one. The minimum deviation is equal to its refracting angle. So take this one. Delta m minimum deviation is equal to A and I equal to A. I equal to A. This is our condition. For a refractive index n, we know that one. Sin delta m plus A by 2 by sin A by 2. Delta m, replace delta m by A, you will get a sin A by sin A by 2. You will, if you solve this one, you will get cos 2 cos A by 2. What is the what is the maximum condition? Max condition for n, that is nothing but theta must be equal to 0 degrees. This is the max condition. So what is n? N can be written as 2 into, what is the maximum condition? Cos 0, 1. That is nothing but 2. So n must be less than 2. Next one, minimum condition. Minimum condition. Theta must be equal to 90 degrees. Then n equal to 2 into, what is that one? Cos pi by 2. That is nothing but 1 by root 2. You will get a root 2. So n must be greater than n. So root 2. So n must be greater than root 2. So what is the condition? Option 4 is your answer. So n must be this is your condition. Question number 44. The time period of simple harmonic oscillator, they have given oscillator. To measure the value of mass, object is 10 gram with the accuracy of 10 mg and for time milligrams, that is nothing but milligrams. Time for 50 oscillations of the spring is found to be 60 seconds using a watch of 2-second resolution. The percentage error in determination of the spring constant. See here, T square equal to K by M. So delta K by K equal to 2 delta T by T plus delta M by M. What is delta T? So delta T can be written as, what is the time here? 60 seconds by 50 oscillations. Okay. 6 by 5. You will get 6 by 5. What is T here? T is always 60 seconds by what is the time? Time you are getting? Not. No. See, 2 seconds, 50 oscillations. So substitute from delta K, percentage error, delta K by K into 100, that is nothing but 6 by 5. 6 by 5 50 by 5 into 2 plus delta M. Delta M is nothing but 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 by 10 into 100. If you solve this one, you will get a 6.76 percentage. So next question 44, which is purely based on the dimensional formulas. I am showing you dimensional formulas. So next one, see here, eta. Eta is having dimensional formula ml L to the power minus 1 and T inverse. Yes sir, that is surface tension, M T to the power minus 2. What is about pressure? Pressure is nothing but M L inverse T to the power minus 2. What is about surface energy? Surface energy is nothing but S into A. You will get ML square T to the power minus 2. So what is the correct answer? Please comment below. Next, question number 46. We are moving into section B. See here, two tuning forks A and B are sounded together to giving 8 beats in 1 second. See here, condition 1, 8 beats, frequency 8 beats for 2 seconds, you will get a 4 Hz frequency. When a fork is loaded with wax means frequency is reducing, frequency is decreasing, that is the loaded with wax. The beat frequency is reduced to 4 beats in 2 seconds. This is F2 is a 4 by 2, that is nothing but 2 H. If the original frequency of tuning fork is 380 Hz, then the original frequency of the tuning fork. So number of beats can be written as FA minus FB modulus. You have to find A. FA equal to number of beats plus condition minus condition. Take this one 4. So 380 plus 4 is nothing but 384 Hz. And one more condition, FA equal to 380 minus 4, that is nothing but 376 Hz. So what they are asking, if the wax is there, if we are added some wax, it is a reduced frequency. This is your reduced frequency. What is the original frequency? Original frequency is 284. Our original frequency is 284. Next question. The thermodynamic system is taken throughout the cyclic process ABC as shown in figure. The total work done by the system. Simple. Work done is nothing but area under the curve. What is base here? 3. This is height. What is height? 200. Work done equal to half into 200 into 3. 100. That is nothing but 300 joules. 300. Next, 48. An inductor stores 16 joules of magnetic field energy and dissipates 32 watts of thermal energy due to its resistance when AC current of 2 amperes and frequency 50 Hz flows through it, then the ratio of the inductive reactance and its resistance. What do you have to find? You have to find the XL by R. What is XL? XL is nothing but omega L. What is omega? They have given frequency. That's why 2 pi F into L by R. First you have to find L and R. See here. Inductor stores energy. They have given already half Li square equal to 16. Half Li square, that is nothing but 4. You can see 16. Cancel 4. L is nothing but 8. L is 8. Power dissipated. Power can be written as 32 into I square R. I square, that is a 4. 4 can be written as 8. So R is also 8. See here. Come to here. 2 into 3.14. Frequency 50 Hz. I am writing here. Please see. 50 Hz. 50 Hz 8 by 8. 8 gets cancelled. 100 into 314. That is nothing but this is nothing but 314. This is your answer. 314 your answer. Next, question number 49. A beam of light consisting of wavelengths 650 nanometer and 550 nanometer illuminates the Young's double slit experiment with a separation of 2 millimeters. This is small d, such that interference fringes are formed on the screen placed at a distance. So screen distance, so capital D, from the slit, the least distance of the point from the central maxima where the bright fringes due to both wavelengths are coincide. Both wavelengths are coincide is. So see here, we know that Y formula, separation formula. In this condition, they have given already Y1 equal to Y2. From this one, you can cancel these two. So N1 by N2, lambda 2 by lambda 1, you will get the 11 by 30. N1 by N2 equal to 11 by 13. So from this one, if you want to find y can be written as 429 into 10 to the power minus 5. This is nothing but 429 is your answer. Next question number, see here, a flywheel having mass 3 kg and a radius 5 meter is free to rotate about horizontal axis, and the string is having, I am writing here, a free flywheel of having radius of 5 meters and the mass is there 3 kg. Okay, a string is having negligible mass is wound around the wheel and a loose end of a string is connected by 3 kg mass. So the string is around the flywheel and which is connected by 3 kg mass. 3 kg mass. The mass is kept at a rest initially. So U is 0, initially is 0, and released kinetic energy of the flywheel when mass is descended by 3m is. Okay. So initial it is at a rest. Finally it is getting kinetic energy. So potential energy is equal to kinetic energy. But in this case, we are having two kinetic energies. One is a rotational kinetic energy and a linear kinetic energy. What is the potential? They have given already. What they have given, a string is having negligible mass, flywheel is connected. When the mass is descended by 3 meters. So this length is 3 meters. Take this one, 3 meters is nothing but h, height. mgh. mgh is nothing but 3. I am writing here 3. Kinetic energy. One is a linear kinetic energy, that is half mv square. One more is there, rotational kinetic energy, half I omega square. Okay. See here. Half mv square plus half mr square by 2, that is I mr square by 2 into omega square. We know that formula, V equal to R omega. So mm gets cancelled, 3g equal to, take this one, V square 1 by 4 and so see here, three v square by 4. 3v square by 4. 3 gets cancelled and g is 10. So v square can be written as 40 meter per second. V square can be written as 40 meter per second. So what you have to find finally? You have to find the kinetic energy of the flywheel. What is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy of the flywheel can be written as half m r square by 2 omega square. What is r square omega square is nothing but v square. What is mass here? Mass is nothing but 3 kg. 3 by 4 into, this is a 40 and you will get a 10 times. So 30 is your answer. 30 joules kinetic energy, 30 joules. So this is our end of the session. Thanks for watching. If you are having any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.